Hello guys, welcome to another video on WP Blogger YouTube channel. Do you want to have a newsletter on your WordPress blog? Do you want to be able to send your post notification to your subscribers automatically on your WordPress blog? Watch this video to the end. I am going to show you step-by-step guide on how to enable newsletter on your WordPress blog. Before we get started into today's video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, smash the like button, click on the thumbs up. It means a whole lot to me. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. And also, if you are looking for the best WordPress hosting, I recommend Bluehost. That is what we use and that is what I recommend. This is my Bluehost portal, as you can see, to show you proof that our demo website is hosted on Bluehost. Click on the link below this video. It will bring you to the home page of Bluehost. Select any of these packages. Just select one of them. Get started with Bluehost today if you want a hassle-free WordPress hosting. Now let's get started into today's video. We are going to install a plugin, and the name of the plugin is called MailPoint. So let's hover on plugins here and click on add new. And let's search for MailPoint here. This is the specific one that we are installing, as you can see from the video. So I will click on install now right here. And hit on activate. Our plugin is fully activated. So let's go through the settings and set it up on our site. So we have the settings at the left hand side of your admin dashboard here. Let's click on settings here and go through what we need to do. So we have the default sender. Enter the name here and the email address and the reply to. Subscribe in comments. Visitors that comment on a post can subscribe to your list via a checkbox. You can enable it. And we can also select the default mailing list, or we'll create a new one. Also, in the registration form, you can also allow users to also subscribe. Manage subscription page. It has already been created for us by MailPoint, so we'll just leave it here. Unsubscribe page has also been created. Starts notification. We have newsletters and post notification. These are all checked, so we are good to go. Let's hit save changes. This is also a short code for you if you want to display your subscribers on your site, or say on a widget or on your footer. You can also display using this short code. Sign up confirmation. Do you want double opt-in? Yes or no? I'll leave it on default. Send with is being sent via our host. For now, let's leave it as such, or we can select this because it's free up to 10 subscribers. So we can select this one and also go for the free. but we ain't doing that. Send with free up to 1,000 subscribers. It is required for us to create an account on MailPoint, which is not compulsory. So let's just use our host for sending. We are okay for now. Let's go into the emails section here. So we have the newsletter, we have latest post notification, then we also have welcome email. Let's check out the latest post notification. So if you publish a new post, do you want it to be sent out? I guess yes. How many times do you want it sent out? Is it once a day as you publish or immediately? And the time, if you select immediately, the post will be sent. But if you want to schedule it particular time of the day, you can also select once a day and select the time. But I prefer immediately. Let's click on next. So we have different templates right here. Different templates here. Just select any that you want. So I'll go with this one. Let's select the first template. This is a quick wizard for us to see how it works. And it's just a simple drag and drop newsletter builder, which is very easy to customize. I'm not going to waste so much of your time on this, but this is how your latest blog post is going to look like. So you can take your time, configure it the way you want. Let's save it and go to the forms area and create our first form. It has been saved, so let's come here, forms. Let's build a new form here. So let's click on add new form. But before I add a new form, let me do one thing first. Let's create a list. So let's create a list before we create a form. So new list, I'll call it blog readers. The description, visitors on my blog who read my posts. And I'll click on save. So we've created a list and we have 0 subscribers here. So let's go back to the forms. And click on new form. So we have different types of forms that we can create. We have the pop-up, we have slide in, we have fixed bar, below pages, we also have others. We are going to create below pages in this example. Join the club. We have this. We have some nice looking templates here. Just go through and select one. Just select any of these templates. I'm going to select this one, join the club. Follow this step-by-step guide and use it to create a newsletter on your WordPress blog for free so that you can gain more subscribers, and you can also notify your subscribers anytime you publish a new post. So follow these step-by-step tips or guide and learn how to achieve it. So the name, join the club, or I'll just name it subscribe to my blog. We want to display the form. So let's select the list, and we've selected blog readers. After submission, show this message. We also have some CSS styles here that we can play around with. Depending on your brand colors, you can select any of these or even choose a custom color. Okay, I'll go with this as an example. So this is what happens. The person will have to enter their email address and also click on join the club here. I'm going to rename it and make it subscribe now. And that is it. Let's save our form here. Our form has been saved. Let's go back to forms. So now we have our form here. It's left with another step. Like I said, we are going to display our form below pages, but most often we get visitors on our WordPress blog, the blog post itself. So I'm going to give you the settings on how to let this form to be displayed on your blog post, under all the blog post. So follow the steps. We are going to install a second plugin. It has a purpose, but I've been able to use it to also serve other purpose. So let's click on add new in a new tab and go install this plugin I'm talking about. The name is Quick AdSense. The name of the plugin is called Quick AdSense. It's used to add AdSense to our blog, but we are not going to add AdSense. We are only going to add a short code below all our blog posts, and I'll click on activate. Once our plugin has been activated, let's come back to our form. I'll click on edit here. And then I'll come to form placement. Click on this. We are going, this is the default, but let's select short code. And let's copy this short code right here. Let's copy this short code. Now, this quick AdSense, let me click on it. Let's go into the settings. So we are going to display up to 1 ads on post, and we are going to display it at the end of each post. Appearance, we want our form to show on both posts and pages. Everything is okay now. If you want to make your form show at the beginning of the post, just select this. If you want it middle, you can also select this, but I think it's appropriate to make it end of the post. Let's come to our ads and let's paste our short code right here. And there are some settings we have here. You can also hide the form by device, by the visitor source, and by the visitor type. You can also limit your form by countries. For example, you want to target users in a specific country, you can disable the rest of the countries and only enable that country by just selecting the countries you want to disable and you hit save. I want to enable stats so that I can view the stats or the performance of the form. So you click on enable stats here. and just come and click on Save Changes. Now let's visit our website and find out how the form will display below our post. Guys, this is the time you should be clicking on the subscribe button if you've already not done so. Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my tutorials. So this is the homepage of our demo site that we've been using for our tutorials. Let's just select one of these posts and check how our form is looking like. So let's scroll to the bottom of our form. It's not showing here. I think there's an error somewhere. So let's go back and fix it. I forgot to hit Save Changes on this page or on this tab, the Settings tab. I forgot to hit Save Changes here. I did it on this tab, Ads on Post Body. So let's click on Save Changes and refresh and see how our form will look like. So now let's refresh our page. Let me scroll to the bottom of this page. Yes, now we have our form being displayed right here. I can enter my email address here. Then I'll click on subscribe now. So I have subscribed to my own blog, but this is just an example. This is how your blog readers will see it. And I've just subscribed to that list. So guys, this is how you will be able to add newsletter forms on your WordPress blog. Let's come here. Let's go into our list right here and check if what I did was recorded. I am yet to confirm to the subscribers page. Let's refresh and see. And as you can see, my email address is here. I have unconfirmed it, but you can see I've been subscribed to the blog readers list. So this is how to enable a newsletter on your WordPress blog, and this is how to receive subscribers. And anytime you release a new post, they'll be notified through their email address, which will also bring you more traffic. And like you already know, the money is in the list. So follow or use this guide to be able to build your subscribers list on your WordPress blog. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash the like button. Share this video with your friends. And before I take leave of you, I prepared some WordPress resources in the description box below this video. Check the resources. They are meant to help you become a better WordPress user. Until I come your way with another tutorial, it's bye-bye from WP Blogger.